Your pastor told me that is why at the entrance his face aligned with 1,000 prayers, with bigger tears and nothing strange. These people won't listen at all. I'm out of answers and I'm feeling small, but as you read the Bible page after page, his heart was convinced to spare the race. He knelt by his desk, then lay on the floor. Though I don't understand what it's for, I'll trust one day more. I'll pray again, I will again, I'll knock on the door, asking for more, strength for the fight, peace in the night, trusting by